We've put together 5 premium tech essentials that you might not have seen before. All have the Linx Gear seal of approval, with each one designed to level up your everyday carry or workspace in subtle but seriously smart ways. Let's jump in. First up is the Incharge X by Rolling Square. A 6-in-1 charging cable that fits on your keychain, the Incharge X supports USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB, with both USB-A and USB-C inputs. It delivers up to 100 watts ultra-fast charging and supports data transfer at 480 megabits per second. Whether you're charging your phone, tablet, or laptop, it adapts instantly with its magnetic connector design. Compact, versatile, and always on hand when you need it. Next, the Journey Alti Ultra Desk Mat. At first glance, it's just a premium desk mat, but hidden beneath its surface is a full-featured wireless charger. The detachable magnetic charging module delivers up to 15 watts for smartphones and 5 watts for AirPods. The dual-sided mat features vegan leather on one side and plush felt on the other, giving you 2 distinct textures to switch between. It also includes a built-in cable management flap to keep your workspace tidy, clean, functional, and designed to streamline your desk setup. The Nomad universal cable for Apple Watch is a 100-watt USB-C charging cable with a built-in Apple Watch fast charger, letting you power 2 devices at once. One end features a standard USB-C connector, while the other includes a second USB-C and the integrated Apple Watch puck, perfect for charging a MacBook or your iPhone and your watch simultaneously. Whether you're traveling or freeing up space on your desk, this cable helps reduce clutter without sacrificing function. The Anker 165-watt power bank is built for high-performance charging on the go. It features 3 USB-C ports with up to 100-watt output, plus a USB-A port and 2 built-in cables, one doubling as a carry strap. With a 25,000 mAh capacity, it's powerful enough for laptops, tablets, and phones, delivering multiple charges and fast top-ups wherever you are. It supports 100-watt fast recharging and includes a digital display showing output, battery status, and temperature. TSA approved and ultra compact, this is a reliable option for travel or everyday power. Finally, the Native Union Stow organizer. Designed to keep your daily tech essentials neat and accessible, this compact organizer features elastic loops, flexible mesh pockets, and a quick access exterior sleeve. Inside, you'll find dedicated storage for cables, chargers, memory cards, and more. All protected by a soft quilted interior and a water-repellent coated canvas exterior. Genuine leather accents add a refined touch, while hidden compartments help secure smaller items like SIM cards or flash drives. It's slim, structured, and built for organized carry wherever your day takes you. Thanks for watching. Let us know what product is your favorite, and subscribe to Linx Gear for more.